PNG SME policy, taking PNG forward. What is SME loan? 200 billion for SME. Take back PNG in business. 200 billion from the government for SME loan alone. This 200 billion has been divided into financial groups, NDB and BSB Bank. Now we have terms and conditions to apply for BSB Bank. Terms and conditions in BSB Bank. How can you get help? This video will teach you how to get SME loan. What is SME, by the way? In this country, PNG SME policy, taking PNG forward in SME or business. Prime Minister James Marape announced 200 million for SME alone. That's very nice, huh? You have to get SME loan to finance your business, small business at home. Before you go through, press the subscribe button right now and like the video to push the video forward. If you like the video and subscribe the video, more video will come and you will never miss out on such video. Okay, now take back PNG businesses from foreigners. You might wonder about it, but it's a policy that is established in the parliament for PNG business alone. Therefore, government is hoping for this business policy in Papua New Guinea to achieve more jobs in PNG. As we move along, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. PNG SME Corporation, it is an act set by the PNG government, PNG SME Act 2014. You see, it's a small business development corporation. Therefore, the Prime Minister James Marape has funded 200 million into small SME program alone in PNG. So the government is here to support small businesses in Papua New Guinea. It's funded by the government alone. This is the breakup for the 200 million. BSB Bank receives 100 million, NDB receives 80 million, and admin receives 20 billion. Then this was further breakdown into 40 million into agriculture related, 24 million into youth and SME, 8 million into women alone SME, 8 million into Bougainville, and then 40 million into monitoring by the department. NDB have received 80 million into the financial SME program. Therefore, NDB announced the SME loan terms and conditions. 40 million to SME agriculture, 24 million into youth and small business enterprise, 8 million to women in business. If you are a first timer to apply for this SME loan in NDB, these are the requirements to apply for SME loan in NDB. You have to have a formally registered business name, open your business account with BSB or NDB, and you should have some realistic cash flow projection on your business account. Or you can watch this video on my channel. It will guide you how to open your business name and the business account. If you have any questions regarding this video, please comment down below for me to identify the questions. BSB also have its own terms and conditions to apply for the SME loan. Here are some of the best terms and conditions for us to apply SME loan within BSB Bank. With BSB terms and conditions, very interestingly, fixed interest rate of 5% and 30% equity of contributions to your loan application. BSB gives walkaway capital with stock percentage of 50,000 and above for the first timer to apply for SME loan. These are the requirements to apply for SME loan in BSB. Business profile, TIN certificate IP, and all the company profilings. If you don't know how to open an account and complete the process, please watch this video on the site. How do you get help? Register your business, business profile, business proposal plan to apply for your SME loan. Furthermore, you have to have some cash going in and out into your SME account. Financial literature training, you have to get it either online or seminar training. If you find this video helpful in any means, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I will give you some additional information about the next video that will be coming up. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Next video will be coming up with how to get the SME loan, and second video coming up is how to manage your SME account. Those are some of the full videos, and finally it's how to manage your SME money. See you in the next video. For now, peace.